Hey guys, Slime Lover
Lovers
here again. Today we're going to be fixing old slime.
And
we both have our own containers.
yeah, and we're gonna be, well, you know what? Do you want to fix this one, or do you want to fix this one?
Which one has more?
This one.
I'll fix this one.
So I'm fixing this one.
So like these are like pure liquid sticky slime
that we have it.
So the three activators we have are saline solution, borax water, and Tide.
And then so let's start it. Oh, by the way, sorry if you can't see our face. It's just like, oh, girl, I can't see my bowl. It's because we have to let the light else in the bowl. Cool. Sorry if we're awfully going to be quiet because we're trying to focus so it can get better.
Yeah, we want subscribers.
Yes, we do. But since it's our first time, we probably won't get a lot. But yeah. And then maybe.
But I don't get how people find your channel when you don't have any subscribers.
Sometimes our mom goes on ours and like it. So.
Okay. So so
There's
this is still like slime. It's like sticky though.
I'm gonna need a.
You can put it in here.
I'm gonna need to get more slime.
So since mine is blue, I'm going to use some Tide. I'll still use more different activators, but
Do you need any glue to help it?
no, it's fine. Because the point of this is fixing it, so.
I think I'm gonna keep. Oh
my gosh, look, it's already like forming.
You could do the purple one. So the purple one. Oh. It's not really.
But we're also going to be making it so it's not sticky.
Yeah, like if you finish before me. Should I make this fluffy? I have too many fluffy slimes. Well, no, I actually don't. So
You only have one.
no, I have a couple more.
Yeah, you only have one here. Alright, so I just added like a bunch of borax solution. Sorry, in our last video we forgot to put the recipe to the borax water in the description. We will do it in this one.
I thought we were gonna do it on a separate channel. I mean, a separate video.
That's not what I mean. I'm saying I'm just going to give the recipe to this.
Okay. And then maybe on another video after this. Oh well, okay. So I'm gonna tell you all something. We are in the same clothes because we're just trying to make a lot of videos, so like y'all can see how we are at first. So this is the same day.
Yeah.
Video.
So we're just trying to make enough videos.
So y'all can see how we are. That's actually pretty good. Y'all can't see my bowl. I'm so sorry.
Here.
No, you're fine. No, I just had mine all the way over here. There was like that space. We're probably gonna need to get another camera because both of our cameras, they don't have a lot of storage. I mean, not storage. They don't have a lot of space.
I think I already fixed this one.
Wow.
But yours is like more sticky. Yeah, I think yours shrunk a little bit.
Yeah.
FaceTime Peyton.
So we're FaceTiming our friend.
FaceTime call to Peyton. Purple heart.
Yeah, but we're not gonna show you her number, and you can't see so.
Privacy reasons.
Yeah, because what do you go follow her? She's probably not gonna answer.
Probably not. Set it right here.
And then we said if she doesn't answer, she's like, I thought you were with Chris. I mean, I said she's probably gonna say, I thought you were with Tina. And well, you didn't answer, so sorry. The Tide is actually working.
Yeah, it worked for mine. So now you have more space for the bowl. because now I just have this. So guys, now this is a blue glossy slime, stretchy.
Oh, does it feel that bad?
Poke, give it a poke. See, give this a poke.
Give it a poke. I kind of. That feels good. Sorry, I got a little bit of pink in it. But it'll probably
fine.
mix up.
Can I give that one a poke?
Yeah, it's probably not that good, but it's not really good.
We could name that lotion.
Lotion? Okay.
Because it feels like lotion.
Like, I thought it was going to be fluffy, but it's not actually that fluffy, and I kind of like it.
I think I may add some glitter glue to this.
I ate too much. Oh.
It's fine. If you add too much, it'll get like stringy and like really stiff.
It's getting like a little bit stringy.
You just gotta keep
Do you
moving.
use the glue?
Yeah. We're
That would
going
actually, like, that matches. And you could even ask her if she wears something that doesn't match I feel it.
yeah.
Oh my
When
gosh.
I regret asking her to help me pick out my outfit because when we're in the same
Or sometimes we have to FaceTime because
yeah.
I'm at school and she's probably not because she's probably sick and she has to go somewhere.
So well actually basically like we're allowed to FaceTime before class starts.
We're allowed to be on our phones.
Yeah.
It's on my. Ugh, I can't get it off. How am I supposed to get it off? I like
Get some activator. Alright, time to add some glitter glue to this. That looks so pretty.
You can take the camera and show them.
Oh my gosh.
So you have to call that. What do you call it?
Oh, it's making it sticky.
You know what it's called? Where? You know what's on a boat, but they call it something different? Or where you sail for shore, and you put the thing out. I'm not sure.
The anchor?
Yeah, it should call it anchor because anchor, like that is,
Oh yeah.
like, and it has glitter on it.
And most anchors are gold and silver, so. And we also have silver glitter glue in there.
Yeah. But I like it just gold, actually. No
Yeah. I'm not getting silver.
because I actually like it. Like if you want
So it's kind of hard to see the glitter in it, but like because it keeps mixing in, but it's still in there. So like I'll quickly show you like that.
Well, you can take it. It's fine.
All right. So it's like that. So yeah, like we said in our other video, we will be getting a tripod. Well, it's at our mom's house.
Can you scoot over a little bit, like
I can't. Like I don't have. We're sharing
a seat?
Yeah, I'm gonna get slime on the floor if you don't move. It's not like it has.
Let's just both stand.
Yes.
It actually feels better standing.
Yes, it does.
Yes, it does.
That's what Miss Paulette sounds like.
Yes.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does. What happened like right here? What happened to the wood? I wasn't at the house when that happened.
Just peeled off.
Yes. So yeah, we.
I'm sorry.
I know this is like a slime big channel, but we will also be doing a squishy collection.
And we probably might do some vlogging on it. So stay
We'll
tuned.
do some slime dares also. Just one thing, we will not put slime on the carpet.
Yes.
Or in the toilet.
Yes.
So actually comment down on this video some slime dares.
And comment down below if you want more videos like this. Or like this video. Yeah, like this video actually.
We're not going to tell you our Instagram or Musical.ly names just because.
You can try to search it because ours is not private. Wait, is yours private?
Yeah?
Oh,
Come on. That's my mom.
sorry, Mom. She gets confused. Photo. So she's probably gonna have to leave because she has a dentist appointment to do. So yeah. So
Okay, 1 second.
she has to go to a dentist appointment. So yeah. So this is what our slides look like.
I want to go to the dentist appointment. So guys, if you haven't liked or subscribed, make sure you do that now. We will be doing more videos, so peace.
And this is how they look like.